I told myself not to get another messenger bag, but they had such amazing deals on the ilovedooney.com site. And so I looked at this little puppy and said, you know what? I'm feeling like a big bird, like a big black on black ostrich messenger crossbody. Let's get into it. There were some great deals this past December, and I thought that I could get through the year without purchasing another Dooney and Bourke bag, but I was wrong. I had to get something else. So let's look at what we have today. Now, let me just say this. Back in 2020, when we decided to reduce what we were carrying because there were things in the air and what have you, I moved towards just carrying a messenger bag or a crossbody. Fast forward 5 years, I still want to carry a messenger bag or a crossbody. And so when I saw this, I said to myself, Gwendolyn, you're gonna have to give in and buy a new bag. So we have from I Love Dooney, the Ostrich messenger crossbody. So let's just see here. Now, I will say this. I appreciate Dooney and Bourke not doing a lot in terms of packaging. They typically will pick a box that is the appropriate size for the handbag, and they will do the necessary filling because, real talk, having to recycle all that is a lot, but we will recycle. All right. Oh, okay. We got all of our paperwork, yada, yada, yada. This bag is gorgeous. It is beautiful and slim. Oh, look at that. First of all, I did purchase that Ostrich zip, was it like the zip wristlet, the double zip wristlet, right? And fell in love with it. It has become pretty much like my everyday wallet, replacing my wallet. So having this to go with it to coordinate is like the perfect combination. It's a match made in heaven. Let's talk about dimensions. Okay, let's take a quick look at some dimensions and some of the features of this bag. I really like slimmer bags when it comes to crossbodies, so nothing that really adds bulk to the hips, but we are looking in terms of width. Let me get this correct. In terms of width, let's see, at our widest point, look about 10.5 inches there. And we have a gusset of, let's see, 3.5. And then height-wise, this guy is 10.5. So it's got some really good size on it, which means you can fit a wallet and a lot of other things in this bag. What I really like, starting from the back, is that zip pocket, which allows you to get some cool things in there. Now, I typically keep my business cards and my phone sometimes in the back pocket. This one, for the size of my phone, it won't fit, but I can definitely get my business card and maybe like my little coin purse in there. So something that I want to grab really fast. Oh, and my pen, because I always have my own writing utensil. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta, hey. Now, what else is going on? Now, this isn't one of those messenger bags that is zipped at the top. This messenger bag is open, which normally bothers me, but in this case, because I'm looking to have something where I can get out and quickly grab and go, it does it. So this opening just flips up. We go to the inside, and there is a keychain here, so you can quickly find your key, so that's great. We've also got the bag. Let's take that out. We have one open pocket on the front, which makes it easy for you to put a phone or anything else you want to grab and have quick access to. Now, I will say this, looking at the zip pockets and the pockets of the past for Dooney and Bourke, This really is now the phone pocket, because phones are far more larger than they were back in the 90s and the early 2000s. Trust, those pockets would not fit any of the phones we have today unless you had like one of those small flip phones that, yeah, don't bother. Now, on the back side, there is another open slip pocket, and then there is another zippered pocket. So I really should say there's one zippered pocket and two slip pockets. Let me get my words together. So we've got some great space in here to do whatever you need to do and carry what you need to carry. I am thinking for myself, I could probably get my double zip wristlet, my other wristlet, which I use as a cosmetic bag, and a few other goodies. Let's find out. All right, let's put some stuff in this bag and see what's gonna work for Gwendolyn. So let's go ahead and do the keys, because that's an easy one, right? Like, you can't help but get your keys in there. Easy peasy, keys are done. Now, this is that Ostrich double zip wristlet that has become my mainstay as a wallet. It's just the best thing ever. That is going to go in here. Let's put that in there. Oh, that fits perfectly. Look at that. Love it, love it. Okay, I got my readers because I gotta be able to see. So I'm putting some readers in here. Let's do that. I have hand sanitizer, some lotion, because we have to do that. Now I've got my business card case and something to clean my phone with. That could go, well, that's pocket there. I'm gonna put that in this guy here. And actually, you know what, take it back. I'm gonna put it in the back here. Let's go back here, because I really want that to be accessible. So that's there. Now I do have my little coin purse. Now I don't normally carry this coin purse with me when I am carrying something like this, because I already have that double zip wristlet, but I'm gonna throw it in there anyway to see if it fits, because there's room. There's all this, there's room in here. Okay, so that's in there. And then lastly is my, okay, so it's a wristlet that I use as a cosmetic bag, right? Because, well, these things have multiple uses. And so with that, you're gonna put this guy right in yonder. Okay, it's done. Yeah, look at that. Okay, I don't like the handle on here, but maybe I can get him in there. Okay, hold up. Okay, so that's there, that's that. This goes down, and voila, it's done. Now again, let me just do a quick little side little shot there. So there's a lot that's in there. Typically when I am doing my out and about, and this would be like my out and about handbag. This would not be me going someplace. This would be, hey, I'm gonna go run some errands, come right back. I don't carry all this lipstick, I just don't. I pick either a lip balm or one lip color and a lip pencil, and we are done. I don't pack the whole life like that. I was never that chick. But it's in there, that's all that matters, right? It is in there, and it's gorgeous. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Excited. All right, so we're here, and this is what I would be taking on a normal, just going out to run the errands day, is a simple messenger bag, messenger crossbody, that allows me to go where I have to go, still look cute, but have everything easily accessible. I'm not fighting for a closure or to get in and out. That's like super easy. And I'm gonna take out, let me take out the lipsticks and things. Let me take that out. But if I'm going in here, I mean, I could easily grab my keys. They're right there in front of me. That takes no time. And like I said, I could also grab my wristlet and have everything right here in my hand. So this is like the perfect combination in terms of investing in some of the Ostrich that Dooney and Bourke offers. Love the size of it, not heavy. The strap is thin, so it goes right across the body, and it just sort of nestles where it needs to nestle, and you don't have anything that's digging in, because sometimes the leather can be heavy. This is not that, which I'm very excited about. So we've got a new daily bag. We are loving this black Ostrich, and this is a black on black. There is a black with the sort of dark brown vachetta trim. As you know, my collection is primarily black. I like keeping it that way because it keeps it simple, and this is where we are. So, the Dooney and Bourke black ostrich messenger bag, I should say messenger crossbody bag, that is what is in the box. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if by chance you are interested in the black ostrich double zip wristlet, here's the video that you can check out. We'll see you in the next one.